everyone. Good morning to all. Thank you for joining with your beautiful faces and on this early Sunday. So happy to see all of you in the one frame. And I'm pleasure to invite Meena Garu. Thank you for joining, ma'am. Sharma sir and all dignitaries. I'm very happy and I'm respected to invite you. Thank you so much. And all my fellow students, let's be crazy and silly. Okay. And my name is Tejashree Tadia, textile technology student from University College of Technology, Usmania University. Now, along with me, Spurti, and I will host the ceremony. And and what is our ceremony? The most awaited day, Top Ideathon. So Top Ideathon 2021. So basically, so we're going to start such a great day, and from long days we are planning to do how to be silly and not be routine. And today is the day to present all our silliness and craziness. Okay. Uh, so we want to welcome all the many students of various colleges, alumnus, mentors, and friends of ESL who are attending this event. And we want to specially welcome the following people who told that they will attend for sure. And so Meena Ravindran Garu, who is our chief guest of today's event, Top Ideathon 2021, and A.N. Rao sir, and Dr. Sharma Garu, Penn State University, and Dr. Shrikant Joshi, University West Sweden, and Geeta Vempala Garu, next Sirisha Goshike Garu, and Sailaja Devi Garu, Ulhas Parikar Ji, Vijay Garu, Chetan Makan sir, Rajni Maddi sir. I'm so happy to introduce and welcome to our Top Ideathon. And I want to add something. Basically, we have seen hackathon, right? So we don't want early, usual and normal thing. So we have changed it to Ideathon, and we want our brand too in that. So we added Top Ideathon. So now it is became Top Ideathon 2021. So let us begin. I now hand over Spurti to tell what.
Ideathon is similar to a hackathon. However, this does not involve any coding work. We wanted to use the model of hackathon. Every young people work on projects together for a whole weekend. We decided that this Top Ideathon will be all about ideas and discussing ideas with a group of people.
Thank you so much, Spurti. So as we are both hosting this session, we'll be handing over in between. So so everything in life starts with an idea, right? So someone sometimes some time ago saw a bird, saw a bind and wished she could fly. See, someone like a girl watching a beautiful bird and she wanted to fly like that. So it's just an idea, right? And that started a conversation, went further, and to more people joined her conversation, right? Soon these become an aeroplane. So this is coming like an idea, right? So every physical and artificial object that was ever made started with an simple idea. So
This does not stop here. Every community structure we have is an idea to create a better life. We wanted to travel between villages, and someone got an idea of building a road. We created money to transaction for transaction easier. You can see that everything we have started with an idea. If we extended this thought process further, we can even say we created corruption. If we created corruption with an idea, we can we eliminate corruption with an idea? Probably.
okay.
uh,
So we learn from our parents, our friends, our relatives, teachers, and the internet. So there are so many resources to learn from. And this learning process creates a certain way of thinking, right? So this event is going to beyond our default way of thinking. and explore the world in a different way.
We invited our friends from other universities to join us in this journey. Soon we had 8 teams from 5 universities and 41 students participated in this event. Students did all the planning, organizing, marketing, and also participated in this event. This was done by 17-year-old first year students. This is a big accomplishment. 8 teams that are presenting are Crazy Five, Team Domesday, and Ganadores, Ace in the Chaos, Hitters, and Hustle, Team Trash, and Team Veragus.
So,
Over to
these students discussed wild and silly ideas around the clock and controversial topics. They were respectful and yet had ferocious discussions. You will find their presentation very unique. Let us quick start our presentations, and hope every team is very enthusiastically ready to present their crazy and silly thoughts. So I would like to start with Crazy Fi.